Disclaimer. Please read the note.
Hey everyone! If you own an NVIDIA Shield, today I'll show you the 3 best replacement NVIDIA Shield remotes in 2025. Perfect for streaming, gaming, and easy navigation. Choosing the best remote for your NVIDIA Shield in 2025. Number 1. NVIDIA Shield Remote. The first control you get with the NVIDIA Shield Remote is always standard in quality and performance. NVIDIA Shield Remote. Key features: microphone for voice search and commands, motion-activated backlit buttons, programmable remote, Bluetooth connectivity, remote locator for finding a lost remote, 2 XAAA batteries included. Price range: $29.99 to $199.99, depending on model and quality. Number 2. WeChip G20 Remote Control. This remote is not only compatible with NVIDIA Shield, but also compatible with PC Smart IPTV Android TV boxes. WeChip G20 Remote Control. Key features: WeChip Multifunctional Air Remote Mouse, 2.4 GHz wireless connection. Come with voice control. Built-in 6-axis gyroscope. Versatile application support, supports multiple platforms. Price range: affordable, starting at just $15.99. Number 3. SZILBZ MX3 Pro Mini Keyboard. It is the best replacement for the NVIDIA Shield Remote. It has 83 buttons to count as a typical television remote control. Moreover, it is supported devices with notebook, smart TV, tablet, projector, TV box. SZILBZ MX3 Pro Mini Keyboard. Key features: compatible with other products. Have the ability to air remote LED backlit. Dual functionality. Convenient typing, vertical and horizontal operation. Price range. Its price through Amazon is $9.98. Frequently asked questions. What sets the NVIDIA Shield Remote apart from other remotes mentioned in the article? Conclusion. Please read the note.
Thank you for watching.